In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Calendly link efficiently and effectively. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or someone looking to streamline their appointment scheduling, Calendly is an incredible tool that simplifies the process by allowing others to book time with you according to your available slots. Let's dive into the steps to create that all-important Calendly link, which will make your scheduling smoother. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Calendly website. This can easily be done by typing calendly.com into your browser's search bar. The homepage of Calendly is designed to be welcoming, guiding you on your journey to more effective scheduling. Once you arrive, the next step is to log in to your Calendly account. Look for the Login button, usually located in the top right corner of the homepage. If you're new to Calendly, don't worry, creating an account is straightforward and quick. For those who prefer a more streamlined process, Calendly offers the option to continue with your Google account. This is particularly handy as it not only speeds up the login process, but can also sync seamlessly with your Google Calendar, ensuring all your appointments are up to date and avoiding any scheduling conflicts. To proceed with this option, simply click on Continue with Google. After clicking, you will be asked to select the Google account you wish to use. If you're like most people and have more than one Google account, make sure to choose the one that is best suited for your scheduling needs. This might be your personal account, but more likely it's going to be your professional or business account. Following the selection of your Google account, you will be prompted to give Calendly permission to access certain information. This is a necessary step as it allows Calendly to integrate with your Google Calendar, a key feature that lets it know when you're available for appointments. Click Continue to grant these permissions. It's essential for the efficient use of Calendly, ensuring your schedule is accurately reflected and bookings can be made without the risk of double bookings. Now, with access granted and your account all set up, it's time to get down to the main business, creating your Calendly link. Navigate by clicking on Editing for this meeting on the Calendly dashboard. This dashboard is your command center where you can manage all your meeting types and settings. In the editing section, you'll see a list of different event types you've created, or default ones provided by Calendly. These could range from 15-minute catch-ups to more extended consulting sessions. Select the event you wish to share. This will be the type of meeting for which you want to create a specific link. Once you have selected an event, you'll notice a link icon. That's your key to creating a shareable link. Click on this icon. What happens next is pretty awesome. Calendly generates a direct link to your selected event type. This link is the golden ticket you can share with clients, colleagues, or anyone else you want to book this specific type of meeting with you. And there you have it, a straightforward yet thorough guide on how to create a Calendly link. With this link, you're all set to make your scheduling process as efficient as can be, allowing others to book appointments with you based on the availability you've set. Remember, the beauty of Calendly lies in its simplicity and the control it offers you over your schedule, all while providing a user-friendly interface for your clients or colleagues. You can share your new Calendly link via email, on your website, or even through social media platforms to get the most out of your scheduling process. That wraps up our guide for today. By following these steps, you should now have a fully functional Calendly link ready to streamline your appointments and meetings. Remember, staying organized and making it easy for people to connect with you is key in today's busy world, and tools like Calendly are here to help you achieve just that.